this up. All right, this should be a short one because I only got like 5 minutes left in class. Here we go. If you're not really sure about this, just review it. You'll see. What about between here, between 45 and 90? What's half of that? So what's 45 and 90 is what? 135. What's half of 135? I don't know what that is in my head. Do it real quick. Half of 135. What is it? 62.5? 67? 67.5? Okay, so where do you think... Oops, I need my marker. Where do you think 67 is? About right in here somewhere? Okay. Now, again, it's not a straight line down. What is it? It's a curve. So it curves... Oh, my. I probably curved a little too much. Okay, so... Oh, that's terrible. Let me try it again. I'm trying not to draw a straight line. It's kind of hard. Oh, my. That's terrible. I'll go for it. And you could put those other points in here. And look what it does. See, it does the same thing, right? From here, right? It keeps on going like that. It keeps on going like that. But it basically does the same thing as this, except what you do, you squish it in. So it does the same thing within, what? 90 degrees. How did you know 90 degrees? Because it's the period divided by that number right there. So really, what does this number tell you? That tells you how many rotations it's going to do within 360 degrees. We call that, and I don't think they officially call it this, but we call this the frequency. You ever hear of that? You know, the frequency. That means how many times it does one full rotation in a certain period of time or in a certain number of degrees. So that tells you, okay, your graph is going to go, it's going to do this. It's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 times, okay, within that one normal period, which is 360 degrees. Did that make any sense? Let's see what it looks like. I'll keep this up here just to see how terrible my rendition of this is. All right, so here I graphed it on the computer, and that's what it's supposed to look like. Yeah, that's pretty bad. All right, I'll tell you what. Let's put the regular sine in there too. We'll really mess this thing up. Sine of x. I think you can just do that. Let's see. Oh my. Yeah. See. Let me see. I don't know. I'm not. Again, I told you I'm not understanding this. For some reason, I have to put a degree thing in here. I believe. Oh, so what did it do? Let's do this. Let's put that in there. There we not go. Oh, I did sine. What did I do sine for? Somebody lied to me. I'm doing cosine, right? Why didn't you stop me? Of x, and then let's put degrees in here. And then watch. Boom. There it is. So, see that smooth one right there? That's what my red one was supposed to look like. But it was pretty close. Yeah, a little bit better than this one. But look what it does. Everybody watching? Look up here. We're not done. Look up here. Look, it starts here, right? And it goes once. It goes twice. It goes 3 times. And what? It goes 4 times. Do you see the difference? You see what that thing's doing right there? What if I did this? What if I put a number out in front of the cosine? Remember what that did? In fact, let's do that. I don't know. Can I put a number right here? Let's put a 2. Well, let's see if it works. I have no idea if I can do that or not. Ah, yeah, it did. Check it out. See what it did? Instead of going to the 1, all that 2 did was made it go up to 2 and down to -2. All right? I'll get all this junk out of the way. All right, that looks a little bit better, doesn't it? Put the 2 out in front. I put the 2 out. It's the amplitude, right? So it's the amplitude, and it just goes up here, and it goes down there like that. Does that make any sense? Tell you, let's compare it to. Let's put the 4 here, and graph that. There's the difference. Okay, look. Are you listening? This bottom one right here is that first one we did. It's cosine of 4x or 4 theta. This one is change the amplitude. It's 2 cosine of 4x. And that's the difference that it makes. Okay, it just changes it, makes it go up and down a little higher. That's all it is. We got it? Yeah, sure we got it. Yes. All right. Look back on this if you have any questions on it. And look in the book. All right, let me give you some problems to do. Where are you going to be? AP History. Wow. Well, you'll be having a lot of fun tomorrow. Well, look at it on YouTube again, okay? That's why we do it, right? So what's Algebra 2, right? Did I give you anything from 13.7 at all? No. Okay, let's just do this. Let's go page 859. This is 7. 13, 7. This is all 13, 7. Let's go 9 to 28. 9 to 28. Now, there is graphing on this stuff, all right? It's going to take a little time, so give yourself some time to do this. Be careful with it, okay? I want you to make sure that you know what you're doing. Don't just put down a bunch of slop and turn it in. All right, really concentrate on this. Go back and look at the YouTube things if you need to. Wish me luck as I give blood today. Did I pass out?